Would you like to grow large and delicious tomatoes without pests or fungal diseases? Stay with us until the end of this short video. Tell me in the comments whether you prefer cucumbers or tomatoes. The first ingredient is rice. Grind it into a fine powder so it breaks down faster in water and becomes up to 3 times more effective than cooked rice water. Rice is full of minerals like potassium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, and selenium. Add the rice powder to half a liter of warm water. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and they support beneficial soil microbes that help protect tomatoes from common diseases. The final ingredient is half a tablespoon of garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic, but the powder is more practical and longer lasting. Garlic is one of the strongest natural insecticides and fungicides. It repels pests, stops fungal infections, and helps plants become more resistant to disease and stress. Mix everything well and leave it to rest for 24 hours at room temperature. Before using as a spray, strain the liquid through a cloth to prevent clogging. Dilute with 3 liters of water and spray or water the plants twice a month. We share simple and effective tips like this every day. If you found this useful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. It is completely free and helps us stay connected. Thank you.